What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be finishing up some shitbox stuff, possibly putting the trim back on. I guess the weather stripping glue dripped just a little bit, so we'll trim some of that away. We just wanted to make sure that it was completely sealed. We did have to redo some stuff. We got a plastic piece, like a little hole plug to put underneath here to get the camera to mount properly so it doesn't fall into the hole. Now it works really well. Now we just gotta tidy up some wiring, grab all our crap out of here, say hello to a little shit, and then we're gonna put a couple pieces back on there like this for underneath the steering wheel with these little clip thingies right here. Oops. And then we're just gonna tidy up some wiring on the inside of the shit box right here because we do still have this wire just kind of hanging there to make sure the camera worked and all that. I'm gonna scoot the seat back. Oh, Jesus, I probably greased some friggin' seat rails for sure. And then I think we have a friend coming over to kind of hang out for a little bit, so he'll probably catch us right in the middle of doing this bullshit. We're gonna get the small tripod for the GoPro so y'all can kind of see what we're doing. And then we gotta put, wow, let's get some lights on in this bad boy. All right, so there it is. We gotta put this rear trim piece back on, as well as this piece. I did kind of do some touch-up painting this morning on it. Well, let me get that all out the way. All right, we can put it right here. Did do some touch-up painting on it this morning. Came out pretty good. And so that goes on the top half. It used to be like this same color, but plastic right here. Y'all can kind of see that. This thing does need a, yeah, it used to be like this color. So we painted it yet last night. Had the small heater, kind of warming it up. We had it hooked right here, which is dangerous for somebody's eye. We're gonna go ahead and just take that down. Get away from me. So we're gonna put all that stuff back together today so we can get this truck trim right here looking very nice. All right, so far we got that wire tucked up under there, and we got that little plastic shield back on there with the help of those two little clip things. Looks much better. You don't see the steering column or any wiring that I've been really running through there, except right there on the very edge. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. There's a bird in my garage. Get out! Get out, birds! Get out of here. Y'all ass gonna get stuck in this shit. Get out of here. Damn birds flying in my garage. Y'all live outside, y'all stay outside. Bam. Up through there. And everything's inside the hatch. And we just gotta bundle the wire up, plug her back in, and send it. All right, guys, so got all the rear trim back in, and I have to say, you can almost not even tell the difference between this piece right here, which is factory colored like this, and this one that I painted. Like, I mean, come on now. That looks so good. You know, I have to say, a little impressed with myself. And I mean, I'm not using some crazy automotive paint. Literally just Rust-Oleum flat black paint. Gonna have to vacuum one more time to get everything all clean. The headliner is really the only thing left to do other than the side pillars on the car. And all that. Right here, headliner's sagging. These things are dirty and nasty. Other than that, that's really it. And the center console stuff. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed some updates on the shit box for sure. And we will probably be continuing to just work on this before it heads out to Colorado But I hope you guys enjoyed some updates. Like, share, subscribe, hit the buttons, hit the notifications, so y'all can catch every last video. And we'll see y'all later.